Around.
Good morning. Today we, the girls of Vidya Devi Jindal School Hisar, are here to present our project on the theme Innovation to Develop an Effective Healthcare System. This project has been made by keeping in sight the problem of stubble burning, which is the major cause of air pollution. This is mainly practiced in the state of Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh.
Talking about its construction, this project consists of two departments, a cylindrical department and a conical department. The air will move through exhaust inside the compartment, which will create a spiral vortex. This project works on the principle of cyclonic separator. The air will go through in the inlet, will create a spiral vortex and will go out through the outlet. The first chamber consists of petroleum jelly. We have used petroleum jelly because it can absorb all the carbon-based impurities, and since petroleum jelly has a positive charge to it, it will absorb all the negative charges that comes in contact with it.
Further, the air moves to the second chamber. The walls of second chamber are covered with silica gel. Silica gel is a amorphous and porous form of silicon dioxide. Since silica gel has high specific surface area, it allows it to absorb water very readily. Then the air moves to the third chamber, which is an electrostatic precipitator. It is a filtration device which helps to remove fine particles like dust and smoke through flowing gas using the force of an induced electrostatic charge.
Talking about the last chamber, which is the conical compartment, it consists of activated charcoal. Since we know activated charcoal is very porous and can absorb all the odors that comes in contact with it, it can also attract all the carbon-based impurities with the van der Waals forces of attraction.
The principle of cyclone separator and the other processes of removing various gases are all scientific principles. This can be measured economically and accurately through the standard test. It is very economically and financially feasible and can be easily used for personal, public and industrial usage. For personal use, it can be used in homes for getting purified air. For public usage, it can be used in hospitals and non-air conditioned transports for the benefits of patients and supplying fresh air to the travelers. For industrial usage, it can be installed near the industrial areas for getting purified air. Also, it can be used to improve the indoor poor air quality for the benefits of employees.
The idea of petroleum jelly and activated charcoal was mine, since these substances are very easily and is very affordable in a country like India, and the idea of silica gel and electric precipitator was that of my friend Christy. She saw the potential in these substances which can be used as a part of the air purifier that we have made.
We would further like to extend a credit to Mr. Ankul Bansal, who is our ATL mentor, and Sir Kapil, who has guided us and helped us to improve the project throughout our journey. Thank you.
Thank you.